Yes, guys, here we are again. Sorry for yesterday not being on, doing the midweek update for both uranium and gold and silver and the other commodities. I fell asleep. It is what it is. So today, the daily scoreboard, we will be looking at the Twitter stuff. We will be looking at, the daily scoreboard, obviously, some news and Twitter. So without any further ado, let's go into why we're here. That is the daily scoreboard. Silver up 1% today. I have a massive level here at roughly 23.20. I think if we get above there, that could be the start of something amazing. But again, we're not above. An amazing day, really. Gold is up 0.7%, hitting the golden trend line right now. We are close to getting back above. Right now, it sits at 2066. And we are at 2055. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Gold to silver ratio, also with a nasty intraday, a nasty daily candle here, down 0.2%. And that candle is very nasty. So hopefully this is a continuation. Again, we need to get well below 88. That is the big level to look at. Silver, again, you can see it here. The wicks, it just can't seem to clear it. The intraday reversals for today was due to the jobless claims they were coming in worse than expected, down to 0.4% today. Bitcoin up 1%. Nothing major here. Maybe some tiny bull flagging there if you go into the 1 hourly, but again, math, I think it's a bit early still. Here we have oil down 2.5%. Jesus Christ. Still, we have that wedge there, broken up, came down, retest, didn't hold. We are now back below again. That is not ideal. Again, it could also be the looks of the start of a major bear flag. So again, bulls and bears are just really, fighting it up here. But down 2.5%. Jesus Christ. Okay. GDX up 4 beautiful percent today. That is lovely. Again, what an amazing day. Still looking at it long term, it doesn't mean anything, but I'll take a 4% day every day of the week. When it comes to the gold miners, silver miners up 3.5%. Same thing again here. Beautiful. The big level to get through is roughly, a tad below 30. And we are at 26 right now. So still like 10% to go. But at one point in time, that golden double rail will get taken out. That is my my most likely scenario, and it's going to be amazing. Uranium spot price right now hasn't moved, but I think it is at 106 watt a day. And speaking of watt a day, holy moly, here we have URNM. The Kazatomprom came out with its 2023 production, and they came in roughly 13% lower. Their output was 13% lower than expected. 13%. They are the biggest producer. I think they produce 55 million pounds of uranium per year, and they only produce like 43, whatever it was, 40 something, and that's like minus 10, 13 million pounds that is not coming into the market. Holy moly. Up 7.3%. 7.3%. Holy shit. Okay, the US 10-year, that bear flag broke down again. My view now, that's a heavy move. Yeah, we have some support, at roughly 3.8, but it is my take that we will go down to 3.5 before any major support. Palladium down 1.5% today. We are still in a bear flag there. A lot of mixed signals here. So yeah, but still down 1.5%. Platinum down 0.5%, but notice the wick there on the daily, still somewhat of some sort of iffy bear flag, maybe, depending on how you want to draw it, but still very early, nothing major to report. Copper down 0.5%. Again, bit of the past two daily candles are a bit nasty here, not ideal. But my take on copper. Twitter, we will quickly do the Twitter stuff. Yes, we will do the Twitter stuff. I have some amazing charts for you. And it is 2 days because I didn't do it yesterday. So now we have to do it today. This is TY Martin. This is NVIDIA. This could well be a major inflection point for NVIDIA. The monthly RSI has now tagged the well-defined declining trend line, which is a place you look for reaction in the opposite direction. Let's see how that plays out. So you can see here, very well-defined trend line here. Also the RSI trend line, very well-defined. Yes, we have some iceberging above there, but okay. Again, do we continue here, or is this 1 to 5 wave Elliott complete? I don't know, but definitely that is a massive resistance that we're heading into for NVIDIA. Rashad, gold needs to regain its lower band of the channel. If it manages to do so, then the immediate target is 2,150. And I can say that we are now at 2,055. So we are right here somewhere. Beautiful. But again, look at that bear flag right there. So again, just we are not out of the woods just yet, but still a great day for gold. Grady, been posting for a long time that gold priced in major currencies are breaking out to new all-time highs. And gold in USD will follow 100%. Well, nothing is 100%, but that is a very, very, very high probability. So here you have gold priced in USD. I would assume this is monthly closes or quarterly. I don't know, but still, you can see here we are just charging up here in my view, and then we will go higher. I would be insanely surprised if not. North Star Silver, the price spikes grab the headlines whilst the trend goes unnoticed by most. Remember, the next spike up will move relative to this higher moving average. So again, the trend is here, and we have a few spikes along the way. But yeah, definitely getting above that 26 for silver. Oh man, that's gonna be insane. JFUN here, silver. Again, 23.25 remains the level to clear. Yes, I have that at 23.20, but again, same thing again. That is a massive line to get above that white bad boy right there. No doubt about it. And I think that could actually start some cascading to the upside. But again, it's silver, so silver is difficult. Tavi here, yesterday I heard gold is dying. Instead, here is the metals currently on the verge of making new highs in 6 different fiats. Let us not forget that central banks acquired more gold in 2023 than any other year in the last 5 decades. 5 decades. So you have euro, you have the British pound, Chinese yen, Australian dollar, golden Japanese yen, and Korean won. Just look at there, just blasting higher. Again, the USD is the last to follow, or the Swiss franc. But anyways, USD is often the last one to follow. Rashad again here with senior gold miners, the GDX. Right now at 29. Is set to more than double from present levels. History shows that once the rally starts, it lasts, roughly half a year to 9 months. Just imagine after 4 years of consolidation, everything ends in a matter of several months. You can see the moves. When it moves, it freaking moves again. I have very big, I wouldn't say hopes, but gold and silver miners, I hope that they will not go, ballistic just yet. And that I can rotate some uranium into that. I think there will be an amazing buying opportunities and technical entries for gold and silver miners. I just posted one today, but that will be when we come to the stock section. Great here once again. The commodities bull market will be one of the greatest opportunities in your lifetime to get out of the rat race. Kaching, agreed. Here we have further evidence that a second inflationary wave is coming. Oil companies breaking out and backtesting versus general equities. So XLE against the SPY. Look at it there, 2 retests. That is a bull flag in the making. It is very likely that this one will start to continue higher in 2024 or 2025. Beautiful, beautiful. If you're invested, that is. Trend spider here. This is Airbnb bounce time. So again, well-defined neckline. breakout, retest. So this is a, what's that? That's half a year worth of trading. But anyways, that is very textbook, an amazing entry here. The stop can be placed a tad below there. So the Twitter stuff is over. Now we look at some stocks for today. It will be gold and silver, yes, and uranium, because they have done insanely well. I want to show you, this is FUU, so that's F3 Uranium Corp. If we can close here, or higher, obviously, we have a weekly breakout above the 0.5. We have taken out the golden resistance, all within 1 week. That is a massive trigger in my view for more upside. Beautiful. EXK here, that's Endeavor Silver Corporation. 2008, 2008, 16, 20, a bit of a wick below there due to the COVID madness, and now we're here right again bouncing. If you also, for that matter, take the Endeavor stock divided by silver, look at this. I mean, this, in my view, is amazing value right here, right now, both measured in USD, but also against silver. In my honest opinion, again, do your own due diligence, but this is an amazing buying opportunity. If you believe that gold and silver will do well within the next few years, beautiful, beautiful. Do as you may. I'm just trying to show you what I think, and you can, as I mentioned all the time, you do whatever you want to do. Snowline gold here again. On the weekly, we broke out from the highest then in 2022. Breakout, bull flagging, retesting, now higher again. Cup and handle play is about to charge above 6.11, and then higher we go, in my honest opinion. Sear, this is Sky Harbor Resources, so this is uranium. Golden trend line broken, massive double-headed inverse head and shoulders. Yes, there is something called a double-headed inverted head and shoulders. In my view, the main takeaway is that they are more or less the same level. The low of the heads here are more or less the same level. But anyways, in my view, this has so much more to run over here. The target for that bottoming pattern is roughly 6.5. So beautiful. Just quickly here, PBR, I've shown it many times. I love this stock. Monthly breakout here. Roughly 20 years worth of gold trend line gets broken. We have the last final wicks here to clear, but anyways, in my view, beautiful. Dividend paid 16%. What is not to like, really? Same thing here again for the EWZ. This is the Brazilian ETF. Massive breakout in the making here. Massive golden squeeze. Then we had some smaller blue triangle there. Right now, breaking out, also retesting that last hurdle, in my view. Again, paying what, 6% dividend. This is easily a long-term hold for, you can easily hold it for 4 years, depending on the price action, but 2 to 4 years easily while you collect the dividends, and you have like 100 to at least 100% upside, in my view. I've bought this twice within the past few months, and I don't think I will regret that one. That was all. Everything. Beautiful. Okay, guys. Sorry again for not being on yesterday. I usually do the mid-weekly updates for gold, silver, and other commodities, and also the uranium section. But again, I fell asleep. It is what it is. What can I do? I'm human too as well. So thank you for tuning in, guys. That's all. If anything, let me know, comments below, especially if you agree about the stock section here. Again, what a day for uranium, what a day for gold and the miners. Beautiful. I like it when both these sectors are green. That's a very, very good day. Okay, that's all from my side, guys. We will see you for tomorrow. Weekly closes, I will be there, trust me.